Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Hammered Corner. In today's video, we have a very quick no-nonsense guide on how to clean your hammered coins that you may have found metal detecting from the eyes of a numismatist. A numismatist is a person who collects and studies coins. It's incredibly sad to see coins that have been found and now look like they've had 10 rounds with Mike Tyson with his new Brasso gloves. Now completely silver, scratched and shiny, you could be ruining and devaluing your hammered coins without realising. Just as a disclaimer, this is my own view on what I've learnt during my time collecting, from many knowledgeable collectors and dealers, and all advice is on how to clean silver hammered and early milled coins. On screen now you can see 3 silver coins. The first coin is an Elizabeth I threepence that I found metal detecting. And the second coin in the middle is a James II threepence that I bought for £5 in a coin bundle. And the final coin is a James I quarter mark that is part of my collection. All coins are ranked from best to worst in terms of how someone has cleaned them in the past, but we will get into that shortly. First, let's look at what you shouldn't do. I see hundreds of detectorists on YouTube who find hammered coins in clots of earth, covered in mud, where they have been sitting for hundreds of years. And the first thing they do is smear the dirt off the coin so they can begin to see the coin itself. But this is going to cause damage to the field of the coin. Some coins tone differently in different soil conditions, and some people try to scrub the coin to try and get the dark patina off the coin, so you're left with a very shiny, unattractive clean coin. So, here is a little advice from me, someone who has both detected a few times and has found a hammered coin, but more importantly, a numismatist, a lover and student of English hammered coins. As hard as it may be when you're out in the field, try and leave your coins to the end of the day before cleaning. All you need to do is let your coins soak in warm soapy water, and then dab dry with a tissue paper, or better yet, leave to air dry. Repeat this as many times as it takes to remove all the residue from the coin fields. Rubbing the coin surface instead of dabbing can completely devalue the coin, and your ability to sell it on in the future without having to make a note to the seller that it has been once cleaned before. Rubbing coins can also leave nasty hairline scratches and marks all over your coin, rendering them ruined in some extreme instances. It is completely heartbreaking as a collector of hammered coins to see some rarities found detecting that are completely ruined by incorrect cleaning methods. Coins that are of museum quality, that path new routes of research, are now shiny and scratched. You may think my Elizabeth I coin on the left needs a good clean, and you may, if this was yours, want to soak it in lemon juice, put it between some foil, or get some of the pink stuff and scrub it with a toothbrush. But cleaning with such methods will completely devalue your silver coins, losing 30% value at least. So please ignore all the videos out there that use electrolysis, scrubbing, or laying them in acidic liquids. Take it from a numismatist who has given you advice that I see hundreds of experts from my hobby give. As you can see, the coin I found has been soaked in hot water and dabbed dry with tissue, and is in the exact same condition as I found it, but I have successfully removed all the dirt without removing anything else from the coin, and this is the correct way to clean your hammered coins without ruining them. The James II coin in the middle has an extremely patchy toning, from where the owner had scrubbed all the value away shortly after he found it. The natural patina that this coin had gathered was now very patchy, and it's very obvious to see the parts where he'd scrubbed most. The clean parts have made the coin extremely shiny, and thus I was able to buy this coin in a job lot for only £5. You will always be better off not over scrubbing the coin, and trying to avoid using methods to retone it, like the egg or bleach method, to add an unnatural toning to the coin. Now, the final coin has been cleaned to death previously. It is shinier in hand, and to a collector of coins, this coin would stick out like a sore thumb as being heavily cleaned, to the point where many collectors wouldn't want such an example. I didn't realise how clean it was when I bought it, and for the price I paid I wasn't bothered. A great example of how a coin shouldn't be treated, and how it can affect the sales going forward. So there we have it. I hope this gives you some clear knowledge on how to handle your detecting finds. Be sure to like and subscribe, so you never miss any numismatic content here on the channel. Thank you all for your support, and as always, keep collecting.